Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I want to share with you guys a mini haul, I would say. So Kiara Sky was having a sale, pretty much it was like a bundle they were having with their acrylic potters and monomer. Pretty much was create your own acrylic kit and they will let you choose between different acrylic colors. So the first thing that comes in the kit is the buffer. Also, these don't come in the kit. I purchased this because I had the fine one that I've shared with you guys and I really like it. So I decided to buy the coarse one just to give it a try because the one that I already have, which is this one, is the fine one, the 5-in-1. It is my absolute favorite and I highly recommend that one. So I purchased that one. The other, going back to the kit, this is one of the things that comes in the kit. It was a top coat no white, which I have used previously and really enjoy. Also, the straight files also came with the kit and the monomer, and then I will show you guys the acrylic potters. So this is the monomer. I have never tried the acrylic potters or the monomer from Kiara Sky, so I'm looking forward to try that, and I will make a video reviewing the acrylic potter and the monomer from their brand as well. So keeping the eye for that. Also, these are the acrylic potters. With the kit, you have the option to choose between 3, 4, 5 acrylic potters, and they will give you a selection of them, and then you will select which one you want. I keep in mind about Valentine's tutorials that are coming soon, so I try to select colors red and also new colors. So the first one was this one. It's called His Lost. Individually cost 19.99, but with the kit you will get a discount, so it will be cheaper. I also purchased this one, Love Note. Beautiful red colors, and once again, I did my selection based on what is coming now, which is the Valentine's nail tutorials. So that's why I selected a red with glitter and also a red one. Here I'm just comparing their sprinkle on glitter versus the package where you get the acrylic powder so you can have an idea how big they are. And honestly, I like the fact that you can see from the top what color it is. Not a lot of brands do that, so I think that's an extra thing with their acrylic powders. And the jar is very big. Well, for almost $20, it better be. So the next one is the pure white. Also decided to select white. Also decided to select clear, and because those are colors that are commonly used on nails, and as well as this one right here, which is their one of their nude colors. It's called Chai Spice Latte, and I'm looking forward to try this one to do ombre with this color. Very beautiful. It looks like a veggie, kind of like a nude. Um, I don't know. Love it. So I will be looking forward to try that one. And of course, we always need a clear one. So this is this one because clear is used a lot for encapsulating and things like that. So I'm very happy, and let me go ahead and open this one just to show you guys the consistency of the product, because I have never tried Kiara Sky acrylic powder. So in case you are curious just like me, this is the consistency. You guys can see it's really packed, it's really full. The jar is really full of products. So I will have to see how they blend, how soft they are, and I will give you guys feedback when I record the video. I'm excited to do Valentine's nail tutorials coming soon, and I put my finger in it because I want to feel it, and it feels very soft. So we'll see. Just subscribe so you don't miss that video. Also, I found this website on Instagram. It is Stone It, Get Stone, and look at this, guys. Let me give you a close up. So each of these bags is $4.99, and pretty much is rhinestones, different colors, and look how much they shine. This is perfect for nails, and they are not Swarovski, but look how much they shine. So I will be using these on my upcoming nail tutorials, and you guys will be able to see how they shine, how beautiful they look, and everything. And check them out. I mean, for $4.99, look all the stuff you get. Each bag is $4.99, and they also have bigger sizes, and pretty much they are more like a makeup kind of thing website. So maybe that's why they're cheaper, and I find it weird, but hey, and this is the name of the brand. So let me know if you guys have tried that. I also went to Dollar Tree and bought some of these brushes to give it a try with gel polish, also with polygel, and with gel. I want to give it a try, so I will keep you guys posted into like if I think they're good or what do I think about these brushes, okay? The next thing is I went to the website Glitter Mix Canada, which she has amazing mixes of glitter. Some of these glitters are for Christmas. Unfortunately, they came late because of the Christmas rush on the postal services. But look how beautiful they are. Some of them I will be able to use for nail tutorials because I decided to order some of them Christmas, other are not that Christmas, so I can use it all year around. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like mini hauls like this, let me know. Leave it in the comment section. If you have any questions, suggestions, also leave it in the comment section. I will be reading them, guys. And don't forget to subscribe. I have more videos coming, guys. So enjoy this sharing of glitters, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.